Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
And our garden. Are you tired of buying seeds and plants every season? If so, we'll show you how you can save money and never buy seeds again.
We'll show you how you can harvest and save your seeds every season.
It's not a flower, it's an herb, it's cilantro.
That is cilantro.
Have you seen a cilantro this tall? There's more over here, look at it. I'm surrounded by cilantro. It's end of season, so it's starting to produce flowers and this will become seeds. It's a good sign. I save the seeds and I'll reuse it next year. This cilantro is ready to harvest because look at the leaf, it's all brown and the seeds are mature, like it's very firm. When they're young, they're very soft. This is firm, see, it's hard to crack them. And the color is not green anymore, so I'm gonna cut.
So that's how you know.
Yeah, so I'm gonna cut the whole stalk. See, fresh cilantro. See? Look at all the seeds there. That's crazy.
What is this again, honey?
This
I
is
forgot.
Mustard,
Oh, mustard. This is the mustard.
white, broad mustard leaf.
And we never have to buy seeds for this.
No, once the weather start warming up, they start flowering, and I save the seed for next season. See how it flies away?
But how do you know the seeds are, which ones are the seeds in there?
If you zoom in, you can see the seeds there. The brown one are the seeds. So I don't clean it completely. It'll take too long. So this marigold, I planted from seed last year. I have a few of them in all this bed. So what I do is when the flowers dried up, I pull them out like this.
And then what do?
I just put them in a little tray and leave them, and then I store them in a shed. This is the actual seed. These are all seeds. So do is pull out this. See? There you go. And I'll show you the seeds. And this is Calendula seeds.
Yeah.
This one. So I'm going to put this in a thing. I know most of my seeds, but you should label them. We'll collect them for seeds.
You can just take those pods off.
Need more light. And then the rest will just mulch the rest. See? They open naturally. So here are some of the seeds that I harvested and saved. Cilantro seed, it's all clean, and I store them in a pickle jar. Mustard seeds, the sweet peas, see? The nasturtium, the poppy seeds. This is the borage flower. I don't need a lot of those. And here are some seeds that from, previous time that like the chives. So I just store them in any recyclable container that you have laying around. You can use Ziploc, plastic jar, leftover yogurt cup, whatever is available to store them, and you never have to buy seeds again.
Yep.
Everything, almost 95% is all grown from seeds.
All grown from the seeds, right?
Yep.
Seeds harvested, not just seeds from the store, but
Yep.
actual seeds you harvested.
Yep. I get seeds either from friends or first time I buy them and then I never buy them again. More than 95% of the garden is all from seeds. Yeah, I just use some cookie jar, old shoe box.
Old Christmas stuff.
Yeah, pickle jar, another pickle jar, whatever. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Right?
Yeah, don't throw anything out.
Yep.
These flowers are so pretty.
Zinnias, so pretty, right? Yep. In a few weeks, when they dry up, I'll just save the dry flower, and that's it. Just scatter them.